Thank you once again for joining us. Today we're going to look at setting up FTP on our server. Okay, let's go ahead and log in as root. Go in, type service IP-less table to stop the service. We also want to stop the IP6 table. Once we have done that, we'll now go ahead and go and do check config IP tables, and we'll set it to off. Okay, we have one more thing we want to do. We want to also set IP6 tables to off. Okay, once we're done with that, we want to install the modules. So we go ahead and do yum install -y for yes, and we'll do vspd. Sorry, that is vsftpd. We'll go ahead and we'll download and install. Okay, it's very small. Our install is complete. So now we're going to install the client. That's also complete. Let's go ahead. Once we have the service installed, we can go ahead and do service vsftpd, and we can do start. Let's go ahead and edit our configuration file for the FTP service. There are some things that we want to do. Anonymous FTP, we want to set it to no, not enabled. You can set our FTP banner, and I'm just going to amend it and put test lab. I want to go ahead and restart the service. Let's test our FTP by doing FTP and the IP address to our server. We log in with as a root user, of course, or we can use our lab user, for example. Let's use our lab user, since that we log in as root, and let's go ahead. Okay, let's try. Let's see that again. Okay, let's go ahead and exit, and let's go ahead and make some permission changes there. To our home directory. Okay, once we have that in place, should permission should take effect. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and try it again. Basically, we can use the FTP client, and we're going to try accessing it, testing the FTP. So we do FTP, and we do the IP address to our server, which is 192.168.10.10. And as we can see, it says welcome to Test Lab FTP service. So we can see our FTP service is working perfect. All right. So we can go ahead and hit exit. And as I like to do, clear screen. That should take us to the end. On our Windows end, if you want to connect FTP to our server, we can go ahead and set up the connections as necessary. As you can see, our connection was set up successfully.